Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Making Sense of Your Market. Big update this week. We're seeing some really great movement in mortgage rates. So it's Friday, September 5th, 2025. Mortgage rates down, I can officially say in the low sixes. This is the news articles all over the internet right now. Mortgage rates, 30-year fixed mortgage rates, lowest in over a year. So I had one of the best real estate agents in Washington State reach out to me this morning. He said, Dan, how can I get a sub 6 30-year fixed? And so what I did is I said, hey, for government loans, 5.99, actually you can get with 0 points. Conventional mortgages, so loan amounts under right around 800, you can get for under a point. That's 1% discount point. Jumbo loans, you can get a 5.99 30-year fix for about 1.5 points. And then high balance conforming loans, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more points, like 1.5 or 1.75 points. So these are not rate quotes. These are just estimates that I gave him based on some assumptions with 20% down, 760 credit or higher. So mortgage rates are trending in the low sixes, upper fives if you want to pay some discount points. So that's really good news. If you have a higher interest rate, now's the time to talk with me about savings options. I've made a lot of videos on this. Whatever you do, don't make the same mistake a lot of my clients made during 2020 and 2021 when they refinanced. They just refinanced back into a 30-year fixed, took the savings and did nothing with it. This time around, or maybe this is your first time refinancing, sit down with me and do a mortgage planning strategy call, refinance strategy call, where we can look at reduced terms, like how to pay off your mortgage in 15 or 20 years or less. How to take that savings with another 30-year fixed rate, for example, take that savings and reinvest it in the stock market, or making sure you're fully funding your 401k, things like that. Let's look big picture. Let's take better care of our money this time. See, I'm getting coached online by one of the best coaches, business coaches of all times, Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins talks a lot about patterns and understanding patterns. We are just in a pattern. We're just in a cycle. And he talks about identifying patterns and then being able to understand and work with patterns and then control them. And controlling them is what you do during cycles, seasons, or patterns in life. And so we're in a good one. We're coming out of really high interest rates over the last 3.5 years. Before that, really low interest rates for 2 or 3 years. These are patterns. So if you're not a mortgage professional and you want professional mortgage advice around understanding and what to do in certain patterns relative to your finances and mortgage and home equity, I want you to reach out to me. If you're viewing this and you're a client of mine, you're already in good hands. Just reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be in touch with you. If your interest rate is over 7, you've probably already heard from me, or we're in the process of reaching out to you. Now, what I wanted to talk to all of you about today is that there's a lot of misinformation online. You're seeing a lot of headlines, 30-year fixed rates, lowest in over a year. You're going to see predictions about what rates are going to do. I'm not going to sit here and make any predictions. What I want to encourage you to do is I want you to, 2 things. I've been saying this for a long time. Watch the 10-year treasury, number 1. Number 2, the Fed's going to meet this month. Make sure that you're tuning into these weekly videos. It's 3 to 4 minutes of really good insider information. It's stuff that I do behind the scenes for you to help you better understand and make sense of your market. Now, the last thing I want to do is I want to share a big time success story with you, okay? So I had a client about 20 days ago, 25 days ago, reach out to me, found me on the internet, okay? By the way, we have over 500 5-star reviews, so that kind of helps. She was looking for the best mortgage professional in Snohomish County because she got declined by, I'm just going to say it, her credit union, Boeing Credit Union, and then she got declined by one other mortgage professional she was referred to. So she gets on the internet, she looks for me. I was able to help her because we're able to offer, they call them non-QM or non-traditional mortgages. Now this is a high-end, it's a $1.8 million mortgage on a $3.9 million home. We are able to help her. We saved her a ton of money restructuring her mortgage when 2 other people either didn't have the knowledge or didn't have the work ethic to go find the right program for her. I wanted to share this success story. If you're a real estate agent, I want to connect with you on some programs that'll help more of your clients sell or buy real estate. Now, if you're a client of mine and you have a unique situation that you need help with your home equity, or you want to purchase another home, let's sit down, let's build out a strategy. I have the ability to broker mortgages on these tougher, non-traditional programs that might be able to help you, okay? Hey, have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful summer. If you need anything, let me know. We'll see you on the other side next week for another update. Bye for now.